Your traction control light pops on, and suddenly your brain feels like it's driving on black ice. What does it mean? Is your car sliding into danger, or is the fix simpler than you think? Today, I'll break down exactly what the traction control light is telling you, why it turns on, and how you can fix it step by step. Traction control is your car's balance coach. When a wheel starts slipping, the system gently taps the brakes or limits engine power to keep you moving safely. It uses sensors on each wheel called wheel speed sensors. They watch for slip, compare wheel speeds, and react in milliseconds. If you hit a wet or icy patch, the light may flash for a second. That's normal. It means the system is working to keep you from sliding. This is the number one reason the warning stays on. Dirt, rust, broken wiring, or a damaged sensor can confuse the system. If the sensor can't read wheel speed, traction control can't do its job. This metal ring sits on the axle or CV joint. If it cracks, it gives the sensor bad information. The TCS and ABS lights often turn on together. The traction system needs to know your steering direction. If the steering angle sensor is out of calibration, the TCS light may stay on. Different tire sizes or low pressure can make wheels spin at different speeds, tricking the system into thinking something is wrong. Sometimes the computer just needs a reset. Turn the car off for 10–15 seconds, then restart. Make sure all tires match in size and have proper air pressure. Low or mismatched tires confuse the sensors. Look behind the brake rotor, clean the sensor area, and check the wiring. If the sensor is cracked or corroded, it may need replacement. A cracked or rusty tone ring causes false readings. Replacing it usually fixes both TCS and ABS lights. A cheap OBD2 scanner can point straight to the faulty sensor. Look for ABS or TCS codes like C0035, C0040, or C1234. If the traction light stays on with ABS or check engine, the car might lose both traction and anti-lock braking support. Drive carefully and get diagnostics soon. Keep your tires healthy. Clean brake components regularly. Avoid deep mud and salty roads when possible, and fix ABS problems early. Your traction control light isn't there to scare you. It's your car's guardian angel for slippery roads, and now you know how to understand it, troubleshoot it, and fix it. If this video helped, hit like, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more car care guides.